Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Hancock Whitney Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a Hancock Whitney.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of Hancock Whitney Bank. Here you can see the login box at the right panel. There you can see account login. You need to click on the drop down menu. Then you go in for selecting the personal online banking. Now then you go in for providing your username. Then you go in for providing your password. Now here, after you provide both the details, you click and view your account where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Hancock Whitney Bank. Just in case if you forgot the password of the online banking account of Hancock Whitney Bank, you need to click on the link given that is can't log in. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Hancock Whitney Bank. Thank you.